Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the very important college under WBJ, that is Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so आज हम इस वीडियो में बात करेंगे about the Birbhum Institute of Technology. I will give you the complete detail about this institute, that what about the campus life, what is the fee structure, what are the course that is offered. Okay, and finally I will also give my the final opinion that whether you should choose or not, and if you are interested to join this means college, then you should know these details too. Okay, and one condition that you must view the video till the last. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support and subscribe my channel for such important video. Okay, क्योंकि आपको इस चैनल में बहुत तरह कंटेंट मिलेगा, इधर कॉलेज रिव्यू, WBJ रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट, फर्स्ट ईयर में अगर जाएंगे तो क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए. ओके, व्हाट शुड बी डू, व्हाट शुड बी डोंट डू. सो यू विल गेट ऑल टाइप ऑफ वीडियो इन दिस चैनल्स. आने वाले दिनों में और बहुत सारा प्लान है. ओके, so don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. So let us move to the college review, that is the Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology. So you can see here that I came to the official website of Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so let us talk something about the Birbhum Institute of Engineering. Okay, so what about this institute, or you can say the college. Okay, so Birbhum Institute of Technology, actually it was established in 1999. Okay, and it is basically situated in a rural area. Okay, but that's fine, every college is situated and that's okay. So this college was established in 1999. Okay, let us talk about something more about the Birbhum Institute of Technology. So you know the meaning of Birbhum, that is called the land of red soil. Okay, and Birbhum is noted as the one of top, means one of the best topography and cultural heritage. Okay, so this have a great historical too importance. Okay, so this college is basically based on that basis. Okay, you can see here the what are the vision of this college. Okay, so what actually the vision of this college. So the main vision of this college is to create an institution for higher technical education dedicated to the cause for developing प्रोफेशनल विद हाई सेंस ऑफ इथिकल वैल्यू. ओके, सो यह कॉलेज बेसिकली आपको इथिकल वैल्यू को इम्प्रूव करना, एंड दे आर ट्रेनिंग द स्टूडेंट्स सो दैट दे कैन कम्पीट विद द प्रेजेंट इन्वायरमेंट. ओके, जैसा कि जान रहे कंपटीशन बहुत बढ़ गया. ओके, सो दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग दैट डिटेल टू, मीन्स दैट प्लेसमेंट एंड अदर हेल्थ सपोर्ट टू. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द Birbhum Institute of Technology. Now let us move to the next section, that what are the courses that is offered by this. Okay, so what in which courses or what are the departments that available in this college. Okay, so you can see here that a variety of courses available in this college. Okay, first is the under UG courses. You can see here clearly that civil engineering, CSE computer science engineering, electrical engineering, ECE electronics and communication engineering, IT information technology, mechanical engineering, chemistry environmental science, and physics mathematics humanity. That are the basically other courses that they available. Okay, but these are the engineering and BTech courses. Okay, so this is all about the courses that is the offer of basically departments. Okay, now let us move to the next section, that what about the infrastructure, because you know na infrastructure is very important. Also I will talk about the campus life, that what about the campus. Okay, so let us move to that section, that about the infrastructure. So again this college have a marvelous and excellent infrastructure. Okay, and almost all type of facilities available here, such that the laboratories. Okay, so this college have a good laboratory. Okay, have a computer science laboratory. Okay, so you can also look here the some of the laboratories photos. Okay, but they are moving slowly. Okay, but this college have a good scope of the laboratory. Okay, and beside that it have a computer centers that is specially for the students. Okay, and this is basically focused on the main means placement and the other scenario too, and that is also a part of your courses. Talking more about the some other, that central library, that is very important part of this. Again this college have an outstanding library. Okay, and have a number of publication and books available. Okay, beside that if you are planning for a GATE and other, then this have also that type of book also too. Okay, means GATE level focus book they also provide. Also you can see the more about the libraries, that library automatic service with barcode technology used, जो कि almost every college use that technology. Okay, and air condition facilities for reference section, lending services. Okay, book bank service. So these are the services that is available on the library. Okay, so you will get full type of library support here there. okay, so आपको which will help you in pursuing the BTech degree too. Talking the next that yeah, this have a good seminar hall, medical unit, class or okay auditorium. So let us move to the auditorium view. Yeah, so this is basically auditorium. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं, but yeah, this is the sufficient to provide you the guidance and other things. Okay, so this is all about the infrastructure that they offer. Now moving to the very important section about the training and placement. So what about the placement of these courses? Okay, so every student they basically review the college as the term of placement. Okay, वो लोग जानना चाहते हैं that whether I should choose this college or not, or what about the placement of this college. So let us have an overview of this placement. Okay, so training and placement cell is the core area in engineering college. You know, every student about the core placement. Okay, and this college is special training placement and cell that is basically focused for the means campusing. Okay, and that process start आफ्टर एज यू इंटर इन द थर्ड ईयर. जैसे ही थर्ड ईयर में आप घुसेंगे प्लेसमेंट वगैरह के लिए आपको हेल्प मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. ऐसे दे आर ऑल्सो असिस्टिंग बिफोर थर्ड ईयर, बट दैट इज द मोर फोकस आफ्टर द थर्ड ईयर. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्लेसमेंट. नाउ लेट अस टॉक समथिंग अबाउट द व्हाट आर द एवरेज पैकेज दैट दे ऑफर. सो इन द टर्म्स ऑफ एवरेज पैकेज दिस कॉलेज ऑफर 3.4 to 3.6 lakhs. Okay, this is the average placement. Okay, you can also see here the placement record of this. Okay, so I am showing you the PDF of that. So this is actually the placement report. Okay, that is I think very low. It's बहुत low है भाई. Okay, 2015 का. Okay, let us took some latest placement detail. Okay, so yeah, this is the latest placement record that is of 2018 and 2019. Okay, देखते हैं placement record कैसा है. So you can see here the package 2.4 lakh, 1.8, 1.8, 2.4 lakh. Okay, talent है ये. So these are the means all the placement. कोई खास नहीं है, but means average आपको 3.2, 3.3 के आसपास you will get. Okay, maximum means गया ये तो 5-6 lakhs. That is all about the placement of this college. Okay. Now moving to the next section, that talking little bit about the faculties member. So what about the faculties member of this college? So again this college have a good faculties member. Yeah, but there is some demand that there are some faculty member that are very strict. Okay, and they are basically very hard toward the student, but overall the faculty member are fine, and most of them are the PhD degree and other holder. Okay, and some of the also the means alumni of the various important college. Okay, so faculties member are overall fine. Moving to the next and very important section, that is the cutoff, because you know cutoff is very important for any means any person. Okay, if you have not any valid cutoff, then how can you get into this? Okay, so before moving to the cutoff, I want to give you some information that if you are a student and want the counseling, paid counseling at a nominal price, okay, then you can contact me at personally at the Instagram. Okay, where I will help you. Okay, क्योंकि I am just charging a nominal charge because the main purpose of this channel is to help the students. Okay, so if you want then you can contact me personally. Okay, मैं अदर यूट्यूबर की तरह नहीं कि मीन्स बहुत सारे आपसे लूटना का पर्पस है. ओके, मेन पर्पस ऑफ दिस चैनल टू हेल्प. सो आई विल डू योर काउंसलिंग एट अ नॉमिनल प्राइस अगर इस सब झंझट में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, एंड यू विल गेट योर बेस्ट कॉलेज टू. ओके, तो चलते हैं अपना कट ऑफ के बारे में. ओके, so for the CSC cutoff range start from the 14,316 and goes up to 45,329. For the civil engineering cutoff range start from 7,619 and go up to 65,000. तो 65,000 में आप अगेन प्लस 200-300 कर सकते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट. दिस मीन्स कट ऑफ में वेरी. ओके, talking about the EC, so cutoff range start from 19,862 and goes up to 55,332. Okay, talking about the mechanical engineering तो 24,000 से और 65,000 तक भी अगर आपका रैंक है then you can easily get into the Birbhum Institute of Engineering and Technology. Okay, so this is all about the cutoff of this college. Now moving to the next section, that is very important about the fee structure. Why, what is the fee structure of this college? Okay, so let us have a look the fee structure that is of the 4 year. So this is the current fee structure जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that this institute updated their fee structure. Okay, so you can see here for the one time fee. Okay, book bank means आपको पता है स्टार्टिंग के एडमिशन के टाइम थोड़ा चार्ज ज़्यादा लगता है. Okay, so these are the starting fee without hostel, and with hostel you have to pay 2 means overall you have to pay 93 300, okay, that is the quarterly fee, and caution deposit 5,000, okay, and these are the other fee, that is 2,000 for the book fee, library fee 2,000, okay. Hostel fee of, okay, for the seat rent per quarter is nil, and for the, if you are means with the hostel, then you have to pay 3,600, okay. So these are all about the fee detail, okay. Now total fee, what is the total fee of this college? So for without hostel, if you take, then you have to pay 1,60,500, and with hostel you have to pay 2,27,700 plus 5,000 caution money refundable, okay. So ये caution money होता है जो कि refundable होगा, then when you will leave, then you have to just produce the document and you will be refunded, okay. Sorry guys, थोड़ा noise आ रहा है, but yeah, that's fine. So fee paid by the quarterly of month of July, October, January and April, okay. So according to semester you have to pay the fee in the month of these, okay. This is all about the fee structure of the college, okay. Let us take something more about the lateral entry का fee structure क्या है वो देख लेते हैं, because there are many viewers seeing the video about the lateral entry, okay. So for the total fee I am talking, so you have to pay 1,27,000, okay, without hostel, and with hostel 1,77,405 plus 5,000 जो कि हर एक में रहता है caution deposit, okay. So this is all about the fee structure of this college. So finally guys, I means cover all the section of the college, okay. So I if still you have any doubt regarding any things, then you can directly contact me at the, means you can join my Telegram channel, you can directly contact me at the Instagram, where I will help you till you get your best college, okay. So मैं ऐसा नहीं कि आपको बस स्टार्ट में, I will help you till you get your best college, okay. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था guys. I hope आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe the channel for such important further video, okay. So till then, bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.